Welcome to Vlogmas Day 5. Here's our last Christmas card of this series. We're on December 5th. I'm going to be using my Merry Christmas stamp. We had that in the last video. And as you can see, I have a twisting, twirling string of Christmas lights. I should have this in the bottom left-hand corner so you can see the sketch. Just follow along that sketch. I'm going to outline this cord. And most of this will be in a time lapse. I'm just going to show you this connection bulb here, kind of a dark blue. Just go over that, swirling and twirling. Okay, I'm going to get you started. You get the idea. Now I'm going to go into time lapse, and I will go ahead and attach this hot press cold water. Sorry, it is a hot press watercolor paper, the same as I've been using. I purchased it at Hobby Lobby. I'm using my Jane Davenport Pan watercolor paints. You can use your own paper, your own Christmas stamps, or handwrite your own little greeting, or just leave it plain. Alright, I'm going to go right into the time lapse. Enjoy the video, and I will see you when this is all finished. Okay, this strand of bright shiny bulbs, kind of the old-fashioned vintage style, swirling and twirling through. We have reds, kind of a pinky red, green, yellow, turquoisey green, bright blue, all swirling through with our little greeting here, Merry Christmas. I'm going to bring out more of the details with this black fine liner. And you could do that as well, or just leave it as is with the watercolor. But I think this adds a little more dimension. Let me know what you think of these Christmas cards we've been making. I thought they were really cute. I worked hard with thinking up some really cute designs for our Vlogmas 2025. And we are on day 5. This lemony yellow. I think that really brings it out. I'm going to continue doing the details, and I will show you when it's all finished. I'm going to cut it out. I'm using the same materials, the pre-purchased, ready-to-use cards. I'm going to use the glue stick, stick it onto those folded cards, and I will be right back after I finish these fine line details. Okay, our card collection and Vlogmas Day 5 is complete. Look at these swirling, twirling, pretty glass Christmas lights in the vintage style. I used this stamp for the greeting. And here is the envelope, which came with the blank cards. Here is our jolly greeting with a pretty pink ribbon and candy pink stripes, our poinsettia, and our Christmas roses with that same stamp that I cut out and layered it onto that card. Let me know what you think of these cards. Hopefully I've inspired you to make some, and you'll probably get inspired to make your own design. Alright, make sure you have subscribed to this channel, Art and Crochet by Kim. And I will see you for Vlogmas Day 6. I'm going to have a really fun video, and I think you'll enjoy that. So make sure you have subscribed and your notification bell is pressed See you for Vlogmas Day 6. Bye for now.